I got, hi. I've listened to your podcast, YMYW, for a couple of years now. It's both informative and entertaining. Thanks for hosting the show. Well, you're welcome.
This is Marlion, by the way.
Marlion.
Marlion.
Thanks. Don't they say love Marlion or
no?
Yours
On this
truly?
one, you just put in he or she. I'm not actually sure if Marlion is male or female. I'll just put their name in the name field.
That's not Marlin.
Nope, it says Marlion. Maybe Marlin misspelled their name. Maybe it actually is Marlin, and they accidentally added an I.
Marlion. Marlion?
Marlion. All right. Rawr.
Right?
Okay, I'm 56, and desire to retire at the end of 2025 when I will be 60. And my wife will be 56. I think I'm in a good position. While nothing that 85% of our 2.9 million in retirement accounts are tax-deferred accounts, but needed detailed guidance on the decision as well as tax-reducing withdrawal strategies in traditional to Roth conversions. Okay? That didn't really flow very well, right?
I got a little lost in that, too.
I did. Maybe his name is Marlin, and he just he was hanging out with, what's his name's wife, having a little Crown Royal.
Yeah, right. On the rocks.
Maybe just straight
Maybe
up.
just straight. Yeah,
just straight out of the bottle.
Shooter.
My question, would it be wise to partner with a firm so far away from my current home in Nova?
I believe that's Northern Virginia.
Yeah, I do too. North Virginia.
North Virginia, Nova. I.e., pure FA. Or should I use a firm closer to home? A consideration, I may not be in the Nova area after retirement, but will probably be staying on the East Coast. Thanks in advance for your response. After I just kind of made fun of Marlin and how he's saying his name and having Crown Royal, I'm sure he's probably not going to want to.
He's got no interest in using us.
He's got no interest in using a pure FA. I think with technology today, we've been doing client meetings on Zoom for the last 2 years.
Yep.
It's up to whoever's preference.
Yeah,
I think some people really like the face-to-face. Some people don't really care as long as they get really good advice.
I think now with COVID, we're a lot more comfortable with Zoom meetings, and so are many other people. Marlon, it's Marlion, Lion. It's your choice, right? I think a firm like ours or anyone can now service remotely. It's not that big a deal. But some people like to have their advisor closer by.
Sure.
So that's up to you.
I think the first choice in selecting an advisor is competency. Are they going to be able to give you the advice that you want? You did a good job of accumulating some wealth. Can you work with an advisor that can really give you the right advice that you need to make sure that you do all the right things, save money in tax, create the income that you need, coordinate everything with everything else?
Sure.
That's the first step. And then second, do you like the person, right? And then third is probably, all right, do you want to shake their hand or is it okay just to wave goodbye?
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.